Hello, I am Devashish. Welcome to my channel D-BIOLIFE. I hope you are all doing well and staying healthy. So let's start for today's topic. So the name of today's topic, that is mode of protein hormone action through extracellular receptor, RECPTORS, receptors. Okay. So the name of topic, that is mode of protein hormone action through extracellular receptors. Okay. So this topic is very useful for your board exam as well as your NEET exam. So let's start. So to execute the action of the protein hormone, there are 3 steps are present. So what are the steps? So steps, that is very important. Okay. So first step, that is formation of hormone receptor complex. Okay. Second, that is also very important, and that is formation of secondary 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 messenger MESSENGER, or we can say that the mediators MEDIATORS, mediators. Okay. And the last one, that is also very important, that is regulation of cellular metabolism. Okay. So these 3 steps are very much useful and plays important role to execute the function of the protein hormone through extracellular receptors. So today in this video I am trying to discuss about the formation of hormone receptor complex, and I will make another video for remaining 2 steps. Okay. So first of all, hormone produce an effect, or we can say that the hormone produce a particular effect to their targeted tissue. Okay. And if we examine the definition of the tissue, so within the definition of tissue, so similar origin of cell. So tissue definition, if we consider, then similar group of cells show similar origin. Okay. Similar origin. Okay. And perform similar function. So that is known as tissue. So when a hormone produce an effect to their targeted tissue, so tissue means what? A similar group of cell. So within that particular cell membrane or plasma membrane present, obviously. So within the cell membrane or plasma membrane, protein receptors are present, and that type of particular protein receptor is known as the hormone receptor, to which hormone will come and bind. Okay. So each hormone has its own receptor. Okay. Each hormone has its own receptors, and the number of receptors for each hormone will vary. Okay. So for better understanding purpose, I am trying to show a diagram. So give me some time for first step. Okay. For the first step. Okay. So suppose this yellow color structure, this is, suppose this considered as a hormone. Okay. Suppose this is a hormone structure. So what hormone? Say for example, this hormone is known as the FSH, or we can say that the follicle stimulating hormone. Okay. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. Okay. So suppose this yellow color structure, this is a hormone, and this red color structure, this red color structure, this is known as the protein receptor or hormone receptors. Okay, so this is a protein receptor. So this is what? So this is the plasma membrane or cell membrane. So actually this is the ovarian cell membrane. Okay, ovarian cell membrane. Okay, so we all know that cell membrane contain lipid bilayer. Okay, lipid bilayer, lipid bilayer. So these are the bilayer structure. Okay, so these are the bilayer structure. So this is the ovarian cell membrane. Okay, okay, and these are the receptor. So this red color structure, this is hormone receptor, RECEPTOR. So these are the hormone receptors. Okay, and this structure this is FSH. FSH means follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, so this is the follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, FSH. So now when this hormone comes, okay, to their targeted tissue, then this hormone binds to their respective receptors. Okay, binds with respective receptor. Okay, and form the hormone receptor complex. Okay, so first of all, to execute the action of the protein hormone through extracellular receptors, first of all, there are 3 steps are present. First step, that is known as the formation of hormone receptor complex. Second step, that is formation of secondary messengers or the mediators, and the third one or the last one, that is regulation of the cellular metabolism. So first of all, each hormone or hormone normally shows or produce a particular type of effect to their target tissue. And if we consider the definition of the tissue, so similar group of cells shows similar origin and perform similar type of function. So that is known as the tissue. Okay, so within the targeted tissue, so this cell contains a cell membrane or plasma membrane, and within the cell membrane or plasma membrane, these receptors are present, and the nature of the receptor, that is proteinaceous in nature. So that's why this receptor is known as the hormone receptor, because they accept the hormone molecules. Okay, so when here, for example, when FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, will come to their targeted tissue, say for example ovarian cell membrane, so within the ovarian cell membrane, hormone receptors or protein receptors are present. So when FSH will come, then FSH come and bind with this receptor and to form a hormone receptor complex. Okay, so that's it. So don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you on the next video. Goodbye.